It's easy to deal with a stubborn child. Tackling a stubborn child can be challenging, but there are some strategies you can use to help manage their behavior. Stay calm and patient. It's important to remain calm and patient when dealing with a stubborn child. If you become angry or frustrated, it will only make the situation worse. Listen to them. Listen to your child's point of view and try to understand their perspective. This will help you find common ground and come up with a solution that works for everyone. Give them choices. Giving your child choices can help them feel more in control and reduce their stubbornness. However, make sure that the choices you offer are reasonable and appropriate. Use positive reinforcement. Praise and reward your child when they display positive behavior. This will encourage them to continue behaving well and reduce their stubbornness. Set clear boundaries. Set clear and consistent boundaries for your child's behavior. Make sure they understand the consequences of their actions and stick to the consequences when necessary. Seek professional help. If your child's stubbornness is causing significant problems in their life, consider seeking professional help. A child psychologist or counselor can provide guidance and support for both you and your child.